first bite.
It's a big bite.
That's good.
Have you had their xiao pao before?
I had, but never tried the salted egg.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
What's up, guys? So we're at Bancarahan Market today to get some breakfast or maybe lunch after. We'll see. And just kind of walk around, get some exercise to walk off all this extra food we've been eating. So, yeah. Today we're starting with peanut butter puto maya and chocolate. I saw it on TikTok, so I thought I would come by. I was able to find it. It took a little while walking through the market because it's a very big market here. So this is rice with peanut butter and then local hot chocolate. So I think we're going to put some sugar in it. We got white sugar and natural sugar. I think we'll go with the natural sugar. Let's try it first. This is the natural tabulea made here in Davao, I believe. Yeah, that's bitter. Very bitter. I eat. Let's get some sugar in there. There we go. With our spork. Oh yeah. I'm not sure how much this is. I think it's like 30 pesos each, something like that. There was quite a few chocolate places that I found on my walk here. Apparently it's very popular to eat here. Chocolate and puto maya, which is like a rice ball, sticky rice. This one has red and white rice. Now let's give this a shot. Now that we got some sugar in there. Oh yeah, that's delicious. It's basically delicious, kind of dark hot chocolate. Now let's try the rice. Surprisingly, the rice tastes kind of savory, like there's like meat or something in there. I don't think it's just rice and peanut butter. Let's try just the rice by itself. I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's the rice. Somebody told me a puto maya is made with like pork broth or something, but it kind of tastes like that. So we're gonna with the peanut butter though, it's really good, and with the chocolate, maybe let's try it all together. Oh yeah, peanut butter hot chocolate rice. It's good. This is at a place called Emmy's, E-M-Y, Panitin, Paintin. I'm not sure, but it's in like a little kind of dining area. It's across from Ellen's and Eileen Paz Food House. So if you try to find it, it's called Emmy's, E-M-Y, and it's like green banners and stuff on the outside. So hopefully you guys get to try it. Bye. Decided to stop for some coconut juice. That's what's being made in the back right now. She's back there behind the curtain. So we got 1 liter of buko shake for $1.25, which is about $2. I just needed some aircon, honestly. It's so hot. 2 hours walking in the sun will get you. So let's try this out. 1 liter buko. Maybe put a hole in it. Oh yeah, coconut ice, condensed milk. Oh, it's like a milkshake. This is great. And air conditioning. Okay, so we have coffee, bullseye soup, and now coconut juice. So it's an interesting morning for my stomach. We'll see how it goes later. Bye. What's up, guys? So we're in the hotel room. It was pouring down raining, so we just got some food to take back to the hotel. So it's not really fancy tonight, but we stopped at New Davao. It's like Chinese food.
New Davao famous.
New Davao famous, it's called. They are famous for xiao pao and like Chinese food. So we got some xiao pao. We got the special and the regular. And then we got some satimi, which is like some sort of noodles with beef and vegetables. Doesn't look fancy because we're just eating it off of our table here, but you want to try the xiao pao?
No, you first.
You first. Okay. So this one has salted egg, chorizo, and bola bola. Let's try. You can see the bola bola inside. Oh yeah, that's a big meatball inside. It tastes pretty good, honestly. It's a little expensive. It was 75 pesos for this. But I can see the chorizo inside and the egg. We open it up. There's some egg, chorizo, meatball. It tastes good though. It tastes like barbecue. Tastes kind of like a Swedish meatball from America. We also got some croissants the other day, but we ate all of those before we videoed it. Let's try this satimi. It looks like a flat noodle. Let's see, they didn't give me any things to eat it with, so we're gonna do with the spork that we have. Here, get a picture of the cabbage, noodles, beef. Pretty standard. That's really good. It's like curry. Even the bag has like a yellow tint to it, so I'm guessing those are like a Chinese curry noodle. The things they had that were nice. I think the most expensive thing was 20 bucks, but for the Philippines, that's expensive. This was 500 pesos for 4 siao mai and the noodle dish, so that's about $9. Not bad. Do you want to try it, baby?
Yeah. I'll have the ketchup.
You have to have some banana ketchup with it.
Yeah.
The first time I had xiao pao, I didn't know there was paper on the bottom, so I just ate the paper.
Really? Ooh.
There's the salted egg.
First bite.
Oh, it's a big bite.
That's good.
Have you had their xiao pao before?
I had, but never tried the salted egg. It's good.
Yeah, in her hands it looks really big.
Yeah. It's really big.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. I like it.
Sometime if we go to Iloilo, we should try the Robertos because they have giant ones. Like one is the size of all 4 of these.
I can't finish that one.
Yeah.
But it's good.
You like it? And you've had the satimi before, right?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, that was pretty good. They had different sizes. This is the small, which is still maybe that's probably at least a pound of noodles. It comes in just a plastic bag, which is common in the Philippines, but for American sensibilities, it's a little different. But I wonder if they just fill the bag up. So if I get the family size, that's for like 6 people, is it just a full sack of noodles? Like no takeout, no utensils, just a sack full of food, which is kind of the way all food comes here, just in a bag, right?
Yeah.
She's shaking her head, yeah. Yeah, so
Because it's a cheap.
yeah, it's the cheapest way to store your food. And for lunch today, I didn't film it because the lady everyone there seemed so nervous to have an American there eating, but it was like under a bridge, but like where there must have been colleges nearby or a bus station or something, because there was like dozens and dozens of people eating.
Under like an overpass?
Yeah. There's 2 overpasses on the way to Bancarohan, and this was the first one.
First one from here.
Yeah, from here.
That's
in Matina.
In front of University of Mindanao. That's why there are a lot of students.
Okay. And then this old lady with no teeth was selling it, but she had like 10 different things that were all fried. Some of it was like pork fat fried, some of it was isao, some of it was chicken skin, some of it was... I just started picking things up and eating them. They were pretty good. And then she had pastil, which was only 15 pesos. And it's like a banana leaf with rice and then like a chicken chili kind of thing on top. It was really good. So I brought some of that home. I should have filmed it when I was here as well, but I was so hungry I just ate it. I was also hot because I walked from Matina crossing to Bancarohan and back. And if you're not from Davao, that won't mean anything to you. But if you're from Davao, you're like, wow, that's a long, long way. So it was well over an hour walk in the middle of the day. So I think I was gone total of 3 hours walking around Bancarohan. I got the chocolate. That's where I tried the chocolate in my other video. So that was good. It was worth it. But I walked 3 hours to eat chocolate and then buy fried food under a bridge. So it was an eventful day for me. So we're going to finish our dinner and we'll have some more videos later. Bye.